Guys, we're gonna put a big old pork butt on my Louisiana Grill's Black Label Pellet Grill to do some pulled pork today. Coming up. What's up, guys? Welcome to CJ's Q. Really appreciate you stopping by today, guys. Beautiful day here in Southern California. We're going to get a nice big old pork butt on my smoker here, my Louisiana Grill's Pellet Grill. It's going to be amazing. It's just a 6-pound bone-in butt. Mind out of the gutter now. Easy prep on this one. There really wasn't much of a fat cap, so we didn't really, need to cut anything off. There was a little bone fragment in there that I cut off, but other than that, usually I'll score the fat cap if there is one, but this one was relatively pretty tightly trimmed. So we added a little Uncle Steve's sweet and spicier on there, and then we also added some of his competition pig powder. This is just a heavy duty seasoning for a big piece of meat. We've let it, set and sweat for an hour or so. Now it's time to get some smoke on it. We got my Louisiana Grill's Pellet Grill heating up right now. We're gonna do it at 325. All right, we're gonna do it a bit hot and fast today. I don't have all day. I wanna feed the family, you know what I'm saying? So we are going to take it to 165, give or take, all right? And then pull it, wrap it in some butcher paper, get it back on the pit, take it up to about 203 or 206, right in that area, let it rest, and then we'll get to pulling it. We're gonna spritz with apple juice today, and then we'll spritz the butcher paper when we wrap it up. That's about it. We're not getting too fancy with this one. As far as the pellets go, we're using their competition pellets, and then I'm gonna use my EZSmoker Tube. I'm gonna put some of these Jack Daniel's whiskey barrel smoking chips in the EZSmoker Tube. Now that's usually designed for pellets to be put in there and burn slowly, but my guy Ken at Metal BBQ, and I'll put a link for his channel down below too, said that it's a lot better smoke quality when you use the wood chips in there in that EZSmoker Tube. So we're gonna give that a shot right now. So here's the tube right here. I have it most of the way full with the wood chips, but I have a haystack on top of it. We're gonna get it lit, and then we'll get it in there, all right? That's it. We're not gonna get too crazy on this one. Just a nice pulled pork for dinner. We got the Hawaiian rolls and put them on there. It'll be really tasty. All right, guys, I know you're gonna love this one, so make sure you hit that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you do that too. Hit that button down below. Share this on all your social media, all that good stuff. Guys, I'm excited about this one. All right, let's get started. All right, we're gonna get this bad boy fired up. That haystack's gonna burn down into the wood chunks. Then we'll get it in the pellet grill once we see it starting smoking with the wood. All right, by about that time, the pit should be up to temperature. Like I said, 325. All right, we're gonna get a probe in the pork butt. Like I said, watch it, get it to 165. It's gonna be a stellar cook, boys and girls. All right, guys, our smoker tube is ready. I'm actually gonna use my new MagneCHEF heat-proof gloves here to get this in there so I don't burn my hand. See, it's still kind of lit, so we're gonna blow it out. All right. Just gonna lay it down in here. Look at the smoke go. Let's get our pork butt in there. It's getting kissed by that smoke. Like I said, we have it at 325. I opened it up so the temp went down a little bit. We gotta get a probe in there. All right, so we're just gonna get it about halfway through. All right, we'll monitor that when it gets to be at 160, 165 or so. We'll pull it out. But every half hour, we're gonna spritz it down with some apple juice. We're gonna get plenty of good smoke in there. I'm gonna put that tube right next to it. Good to go. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, y'all, we're about an hour in. Our smoker tube has done its job. Now we're just gonna get some apple spritz on there, apple juice. It's looking pretty dang good. Look at that color. Oh, it's gorgeous. Right now we're temping at about 90 degrees in there. So we got plenty of time to go. All right, we are 2 hours in, tipping out about 130. Got some gray color on there, looking pretty moist. That bark is building. It's looking good, looking real good. I'm excited about this one. Gonna give it a little bit more of a spritz. We're just building flavors. Good stuff. I think we got another hour or so of being like this, and then we'll wrap it up and finish it up. All right, guys, we are 3 hours and change in, temping out at 160 on the right side and about 163 on the other side. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it and wrap it. So we take this on the inside real quick, and then we'll get it wrapped. Okay, we got our butcher paper put out right now. We're gonna spritz it down with some of this apple juice, make it a little more pliable. All right, got my MagneCHEF gloves, keeping my hands nice and safe. All right, and then pro tip with cutting at the end, we don't want it folding up on us, so I left a little bit attached to the roll, so it makes it easier just to rip off the end. I'm gonna spritz down the top with a little apple juice. All right, so this bone right here is sticking out. Okay, so we're gonna be very careful, hopefully, to not pierce the butcher paper. See how it rips off? All right. A nice tight little package there. We're gonna go ahead and put it in a pan just to make it easy. There we go. We're gonna get this back on the grill, put a probe in it, and we'll take it to about 203, 205. All right, let's get this bad boy back in here. Get it on the side over there. Grab this probe. All right, get it in there. Shut her down, and we'll just keep an eye on the temp until it gets to about 200. We'll come and check it out, check for probe tenderness. Probably pull it about 203, 205, 206, right in that area, and then we'll let it rest for a half hour or so, and we'll start pulling it. Back, we're gonna check the temp on this one. Still feeling a little sticky, you know, a little not as tender as I want. So even if it's, you know, pushing 200, it's just not feeling as feeling where I want it to be. It just feels a little bit tough. That's not bad right there. Let's check over here. That's a lot smoother over there. Alright, so that heats a little bit more over there. Let's flip this around. There must be a bit more heat running that way. Okay, I figure we got another hour or so. No big deal. We're gonna take our time with it. Okay guys, we are temping out at 203 on the probe. It's probing tender, real nice in there. It's probe tender. All right, it's going in like butter, baby. All right, we're gonna pull this out, let it rest for a good half hour, 45 minutes, and then we'll start the pulling. All right, guys, we've let this rest. We're gonna go ahead and cut into this paper. All right. I don't know what's the use of having a knife without being able to tear it open. Get that piece of meat. Get that money muscle over here. Let's take out the bone. Pretty much clean as a whistle. I don't know where that little cut came from there. That might be why I was having a little bit of challenge cutting in there, but that bone is clean. I'll set that there. I'm gonna take this paper out. Okay, let all the good juices roll. You save this good paper right here, light your fire. All right, so we're just gonna pull it. Got some good color, good bark, nice smoke ring. It is hot. Look at that bark right there, that color. Just blend that all up in there. Look, that right there. Look at that color. It's fabulous, fabulous. I love Uncle Steve's shake. Colors that are going through here, it's awesome. All right, these are lined gloves. Keep that in mind. This is still very, very hot. I would not do this with just my normal gloves. These are ready for your pulled pork sandwiches. You know what I like to do with this? Put in some fried rice. I ain't afraid to party. It's that ASMR noises. Squishy, squishy. All right, that was my first and only attempt at ASMR. It's about where we want it to be. I want it chunky. You know, that's goodness right there. Look at the smoke ring. Juicy. Luscious. That. That good color on top. Now I can't wait to get a bite. Oh, that. All right, we'll just try this little bit right here. Oh my God. Oh man, that doesn't suck. Guys, this is money in the bank right here. That Uncle Steve shake killed it. I'm actually gonna add a little bit more in there because it's a nice finishing seasoning too. Mix it up, you're good to go for whatever you're looking for. You know, add some barbecue sauce if you want, but I like it this way. That's it. You want to get yourself one of them Pitmaster knives that I just cut this bone up with right there. hook it up. Links down below. Cutting boards, Louisiana grill. You want to get yourself one of them pellet grills. I am an affiliate. Click that link down below. But that's it, guys. Hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for queuing with CJ. Take care now.